Welcome to Mini Medi 333. My slogan is Bounce Back, Be Light. I understand trauma and brokenness in life, and we all have our crisis times and things that we go through that we might not choose, but it's really beneficial for us to grow in this life and become the best version of ourselves. But I help people and with their wellness as a wellness coach to basically bounce back to themselves all the power that they've given away without meaning to, but they have, and then I help them to figure out how to restore that. It's really not as complicated as it sounds, and to be light. So instead of walking and struggling through darkness, I can help you connect with yourself, and you are the light of the world, so you have to be the light and not walk around in darkness. Temporarily, we all have to do that sometime, but we can restore ourselves to light by having light thoughts, high vibrational nutrition, which is what I really enjoy, is nutrition, helping people get a handle on that if they feel they've totally lost sight of the health situation. So it's important, and what we listen to, what we tell ourselves, and learning to love ourselves along the way is important as well. So if you have anything that you would like, questions, you can contact me at minimedi333@gmail.com. Leave a comment, and I will see you on my channel. Please pass around this channel to anyone you know might enjoy guided meditations, and you can always just look through all my topics and select something you want. I talk about suicide prevention, different mental health situations. I really enjoy helping children who are going through divorces and a loss of the life of one of their parents. That's very prevalent, and families, and then anybody that's struggling with health situations or nutrition. I would love to be of service to you, and if you have any topics you'd like me to discuss that I haven't already, I just keep doing. Every Monday and Friday I upload videos, and I appreciate the more subscribers I have, the more I'm available to help all the basically children who need help to remember they actually are empowered people, so they don't get in a whirlwind stuck for what could be a very lengthy time in adulthood. So we want to stop that before it gets out of hand. So with your help, we can all do that together. So just be kind to one another, and I will see you next time.